In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Folk CRM for business development in a quick and effective way. Whether you're looking to streamline your contacts, boost your business workflows, or improve team collaboration, Folk CRM offers a lot of tools to help you do all that and more. Stick around to learn the exact features that can give you a serious competitive edge. Plus, there's a special bonus waiting for you in the description where you can access the software for free. Folk CRM is designed to simplify your customer relationship management while offering a highly customizable experience that's perfect for business development. First, let's talk about setting up your contacts and managing them effectively. You'll want to import all of your current leads, customers, and partners into Folk CRM. This is made super easy with integration options from platforms like Gmail, Outlook, and others. With a few clicks, you'll have everything organized and ready to go. Once your contacts are imported, Folk CRM's tagging system allows you to categorize your leads in various ways. You can tag people based on the type of interaction you've had with them, what stage of the sales funnel they're in, or any custom criteria you set. This level of organization is crucial for business development because it helps you target the right people at the right time with the right message. And because Folk allows for custom properties, you can tailor these tags exactly to your needs. Now moving on to automating your workflows. Folk CRM isn't just about storing contacts. It's about making sure you don't miss any follow-ups. You can automate certain tasks like sending emails, setting reminders for calls, and even trigger follow-up actions based on specific criteria. This is where business development really takes off because you can stay ahead without manually tracking every action. Imagine how much time you'll save while keeping everything moving forward smoothly. Another powerful feature is the ability to track your communications directly within Folk CRM. You can log emails, calls, and even meetings. All your interactions are stored in one place, giving you a clear picture of where each relationship stands. This transparency allows you to follow up effectively and know exactly what your next step should be when nurturing business opportunities. For team collaboration, Folk CRM also offers shared views, so everyone on your team can stay on the same page. You can easily assign leads to specific team members, track progress, and ensure that no opportunities slip through the cracks. This is perfect for any business development team that needs to work together to close deals faster. One last thing that's going to really help your business development strategy is Folk CRM's integrations with other tools. From project management software to marketing platforms, Folk integrates seamlessly with a range of services. This means you can use it alongside your existing tools without disrupting your workflow. To wrap it up, Folk CRM is a simple yet powerful tool for business development. Whether you're a small team or part of a larger organization, its customization options, automation, and integrations will help you stay organized and grow your business. And remember, if you're new to Folk CRM, you can access it for free through the first link below, with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Don't forget, the video also mentioned that you get an extended free trial when you sign up through that link.